Hello, my name is Mayrin. How are you today?
Hello, my name is Jose. I'm fine, but I'm in a hurry.
Okay, we will try to go as quickly as possible. We are going to do an MRI.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm here.
I'm going to give you a little information and also ask you a few questions.
Okay, but make it quick. I said I was in a hurry. I have many things to do today.
Okay, do you have any metal inside your body, a pin or a plate?
No, if I had a plate or a pin inside me, I will tell you. I'm not stupid.
Aren't, but I have to ask just in case.
Okay, alright.
The scan will take about 20 minutes.
Yeah, I know.
During the scan, it's very important you stay still. Don't move anything.
Yeah, I know all this already.
As I said before, I have to ask just in case.
Fine. Do you need to tell me anything? Anything else I probably already know?
Yes, one more thing. The machine made a lot of noise, so don't worry, it's normal.
I'm not a child. A little noise is not going to scare me.
Very good. I will give you a button. If you have any problem, just press it.
I'm not going to have any problems. I've done this before. Are you finished talking? Can we start now?
Yes, of course.
Okay. When is this going to be over?
Okay, we are all done. How do you feel?
How do you think I feel? You didn't do anything, really.
Okay.
Can I go now? I have a lunch appointment in Las Palmas.
Yes.
You are making me late.
Yes, of course. Please stop by the reception desk before you leave. They will tell you when your resort will be ready. You can also make another appointment if you need one.
Okay, thanks. I've got to run. Bye.
Bye, have a nice day. It's going to be one of those days.